Welcome to our session on Receipt Bank. The purpose of this training is to look at Receipt Bank from a staff perspective. So we're going to be looking at what you should do to submit your expense claims. What we won't be covering in this session is the admin side, so the Receipt Bank portal. So there are two ways of getting your information into Receipt Bank. One is via the smartphone apps, available in both iOS and Android. And the second way is to use the email functionality. So you can email receipts directly into Receipt Bank as well. So the first thing you need to do is download the smartphone app. Now this video is going to focus on the Apple iPhone, but obviously if you're using an Android then you can download from the Play Store as well. So first we need to go to the App Store and click on the search functionality. In the top of the search box, type in Receipt Bank and you should get an orange logo appear. This is the correct option, so click the download link. As you can see, they do have an app for the Apple Watch as well. And now click open. The first thing you'll need to do is to log in, and we would like notifications. So by now your employer should have sent you your login details. So we're just going to log into our demo account here. And pop in your password. Now obviously your employer may have set passwords for you, but you can change these within the app. And there we go. We're now logged into the app. So the first thing you need to do is take a picture of an invoice or a receipt. So this is simply done by pushing the orange circle at the bottom with the camera on it. Line up your receipt and push the green button. Once you've taken your picture, you can submit for processing at the bottom. And that means your document is now being uploaded to Receipt Bank. Now for some employers that means you are now done. However, for other employers they do have an additional step. The additional step is the addition of a description. Now it's important to point out that you will not be able to do this until Receipt Bank have finished their processing. This can take anywhere from 1 hour up to 24 hours, so please be aware. Once Receipt Bank have completed their processing, you will notice that your item goes green with a little ready for export button. If you click on the arrow just to the right of this, you now have the ability to change the category so that you can select exactly what the bits and pieces are for. So Receipt Bank had selected IT for us, but actually we're going to put it as advertising and marketing because it's AdWords. And also we're going to add a little description at the bottom there just saying AdWords. And click Save. Once you've done this, that's you done if you're using an app. Now you remember at the beginning I said about an email route. Well, the only difference here is when you are emailed a receipt or an invoice from a supplier, you simply forward it to the dedicated email address that your employer has given you. This may be your name, your company name at receiptbank.me or any other combination that your employer has decided on. Within 24 hours you'll notice that invoice will appear within your app, and this is where you can go in and change the category and add a description if needed. Thank you for listening today and hopefully you found that useful. If you have any queries, please do talk to your employer. Thank you.